Hi, welcome to MSBI tutorials. In this video, let's discuss about the parameterized reports. I am going to tell you about the concepts of parameterized reports and how to create the parameterized reports practically. Now, what is a parameterized reports? A parameterized report uses input values for data processing. For example, if a product is sold all over the world and we need to analyze the data for each and every country, we can pass the country as a parameter to retrieve the data for each and every country so that we can analyze the data for the particular country. So the output of these parameterized reports will depend upon the values of parameterized we pass. These parameterized reports can be used in other reports also, such as rel-through reports, linked reports and sub reports. These parameterized reports are used to filter the data. Now I am going to show you how to create the parameterized reports practically. Now I'm going to open the bits, go to File, New, Project. We need to open the report server project, give the name of the project, say parameterized report, any name. It's creating the report. Yeah, it's showing its report creation is successful. Now we are going to add a new report to generate the RDL file. Here you can change the name as your wish. Parameterized report. I'm going to create it as parameterized report. This is an RDL file. Now the RDL file is generated. It shows the design view, design area where we can design the report. And now what we require is we need a data source and a data set. Data source is nothing but it's to connect the source data. We will be providing the connection string, everything in the data set. Now I'm going to create the data source. You can select there are a number of sources available. Now we are going to use the MS SQL server. So I'm selecting MS SQL server. We are going to set the connection string, select the server name. I'm connecting to the local PC. Now select the database name. We are going to use the AdventureWorks 2008 and connection is succeeded. Okay, click on OK. Now the data source is created. Next we need to create the data set. So I'm going to create the data set now. Okay. So this is the data source which we created just now. We need to provide the query for which we need to pull the data, for which we need to analyze the data. I will use the query designer for this. Before that I'm going to use this query to analyze the data. This is the AdventureWorks database. This is the sales data of a product, and if you see this, we are getting the sales data. This is across the world. See, if you see the country region code, it's US, Canada, France, Germany, and it is sold across the world. If I want to select the US details, I'm passing the parameter as US. Say I'm getting these 5 records for US. So I am now to implement it in the report. Since it is a parameterized reports, it should be entered by the user. So I am just passing a parameter for, let's say, C or C, any name as your wish. I am going to copy this. I'm going to copy this and paste it in the report. Query designer, I'm just pasting this and clicking OK. See, in the query designer you can see in the query which I pasted. In the parameters, it will automatically generate the parameters which I passed there, which I passed in the query. This CRC is automatically generated. You don't need to create any parameters here. Then I'm clicking OK. Now the data set is created and the fields of data set is created. These are all the fields available for you to query. Now how to display the query? We need to add a table. Based on the table we need to retrieve the data. So where can we add the table? It's in the toolbox. So I'm going to pull this table to the design view. So here it's the table. Again go to report data and you can select whichever fields you need. First I'm selecting the territory ID, name. You can pull this in the side. Name, country, region code. If we need to add another column, then you go to right click, insert column, add it in the right. Again I need another one, insert right. So country, region, I'm taking this group, sales last year. Same, I'm putting in the another column, last year. So I'm going to this is I have pulled all the columns from the data set, and we shall view the preview now. Preview of the data. Report is generating. Why it did not give any result set? Because we have not passed any parameter set. So we need to pass the parameters. We need to pass the parameter. I need to pass the parameter of which country I need the details. So I am passing the parameter as US. Click on view report. It will pull the data of US data. Yes, we have 5 records for US. Let me cross check this. Yeah, we have 5 records for US. The same thing now it's there in the parameterized reports. And let's check for another parameter. Let's check for another. I think it's Canada, CA. Yeah, I need to pass this country region code CA. Now again I am passing it as CA, Canada. I need to get only one record which is related to Canada. Yeah, it's Canada. Hope everybody understood how to create the parameterized reports, and everybody understood the concepts of parameterized reports. Hope it will be a useful video. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe my video. Thank you.